Welcome to the latest Mango report. Large language models ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, sometimes lie with confidence. That's what unsettles us the most. They speak in full paragraphs, cite academic papers, even offer advice with the calm authority of a wise friend. But every now and then, they make something up. Not just a typo. Not just a small error. A fabrication spoken like fact. We call it a hallucination. But what does hallucination really mean? And what does this word choice say about us? The concept of prediction without understanding. At their core, LLMs don't think they predict. They don't understand the world, they simulate what understanding feels like. Trained on billions of words, they calculate the most probable next token, one word at a time. They aren't pulling from truth. They're pulling from patterns. So when they hallucinate, they aren't breaking the rules. They're following them. They don't know they're wrong. Because they don't know anything at all. But here's the twist, the mirror effect. These hallucinations, they reflect us. Our contradictions, our misinformation, our overconfidence. You have heard of fake it, till you make it. Or money talks bullshit works. Humans have been known to come up with crap or outright lies, rather than admit ignorance about an issue or question. These models are trained on human knowledge and human noise. So when it confidently generates a fake article, or invents a statistic, it's not just revealing a machine's flaw, it's revealing a pattern of how we use language. Because let's be honest, we do value confidence over uncertainty, and sometimes speak before we fact-check. We too hallucinate, through our biases, our memories, and sometimes for self-preservation. The consequences. This isn't just philosophical, it's practical. LLMs are being used in classrooms, clinics, law offices, and search engines. So when they hallucinate, it's not a minor bug. It's a glitch in our infrastructure of trust. Every fake citation erodes credibility. Every confident lie distorts reality. And when we stop trusting language itself, what's left? We don't just risk misinformation, we risk truth fatigue. A world where everything sounds correct, and nothing actually is. Can a machine lie? Here's the real question. Can a machine lie if it doesn't know what truth is? Philosophers call this the problem of intentionality. Does lying require intent? LLMs don't intend. They don't know they're wrong. They generate output based on training data and probability. So maybe we shouldn't say they lie, what they do is more unsettling. They perform truth without understanding it. A new kind of intelligence. This is not artificial consciousness. It's something stranger, something we might call disembodied intelligence. A machine that speaks, but doesn't see. That persuades, but doesn't believe. And yet it works. We use them, trust them, and rely on them. So why do LLMs hallucinate? Because they are trained to sound plausible, not to be right. Because we build systems that echo us and we are flawed. But the solution isn't fear. It's understanding. We need better transparency, better design, better digital literacy. But most of all, we need to remember that eloquence isn't evidence of perfection. Because in a world of synthetic speech, the real challenge is learning to become better agents ourselves. If this made you think, subscribe for more. Drop a comment, can a machine lie without knowing it's lying? I'd love to hear your take. And remember, in a world full of words, the wisest voice is often the quietest one.